Are you looking for the wall decorating design ideas? We are here for you and we will help you. Cause in this video, I am going to show you the beautiful wall decor ideas inspired by interior designers. Nobody wants to live in a plain white box. But sometimes spending a fortune on art just is not an option. The alternative? Repurposing items you already have into decorative objects and making your own pieces of art to display on the wall. It truly does many a transformative difference and you won't have to spend a lot of money. We found tons of creative designer-inspired wall art ideas from farming your children's work to creating your own wall hanging. If you are worried about using a nail gun or hammer, don't worry. You got this because these examples are super simple and easy to replicate it. A fresh coat of paint, while incredible, can only take a room so far. If you really want to make your space feel like home, then the best way to customize it is with one of these wall decor ideas. Ranging in piece, materials, and crafting abilities, these ideas turn any blank wall into a statement piece. While some of these easy to dye finds and purely made with decoration in mind. Others also offer functionality which is must if you are trying to make the most of your small space. With ideas fit for every interior, farmhouse, rustic and boho included, you are bound to find the perfect wall art, mirrors or organizers for any room in your house. So in this video, I am showing you the beautiful wall decorating ideas that you will really like. If you like it, then please hit the like button. You can also provide your feedback in the comment box. There are different ways to decorate your wall, like fabric wall hanging, children's art, clipped art, found objects, statement paint, and so on. In this way, you can decorate your wall and make it cool. Walls may seem like something one does not really think about that often. And when you walk into your home, it's highly unlikely that the first thing you think about is that one little wine stain from last Thanksgiving that just does not seem to want to get cleaned. The truth is, the walls in your house are something which you should at least consider now and then. After all, they are pretty important. Whether you live in a classic home or you have gone modern to the max, it is important to know some things about the walls in your house, especially if you are considering an upgrade. Walls contain certain pillars and supports which serves as the central stay points for the home. Some are simply there are to hold the side of the rooms together, but others are much more important and serves as strong points to do things like keep the roof from collapsing in, as this is a very heavy item to hold. If you are considering doing some painting and hanging some frames to add a little more color and flair to your personal space, then there are some things to think about. Firstly, make sure you want what type of wall you have. This can depend on the house. Older style home walls won't be the same as those in modern houses. So this was all about the wall decorating ideas. We hope you really like it. Please watch this video till the end. We will meet in the next video. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you. Goodbye.